the horses, buddy. You see that? Let's go look. Oh, this is the line for the bus. Look at the horses, Cam. Look right here. See that? Look. Stay right there. You want to ride them? Look at me, Cam.
Huh?
Say hi to Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
This is a baby cow. It's only 4 days old. Okay, hold on. You want to pet it? Okay, we can just walk up to it and pet it. See, look, let me show you something. Look underneath there. See, look underneath his body? See those little nipples under his body? That's where the milk comes out.
That's where milk comes out?
Gotta wait in line over here to milk a cow, honey.
You want to go pet it? See, look, see this? Look right here. See that? That's where the milk comes out. He's got milk in there. Let's go pet him. Come on.
Look at her belly. She's super nice.
Oh, wow. You want to pet it?
What is that?
It's just hay. We're going to wait and let him pet it. Okay. You want to pet the cow?
Right on her belly, right here. It's really
Touch his belly. Yeah, that's a cow. Go ahead, pet him, Cam.
She's warm, isn't she? Wait your turn. Wait your turn.
Where does the milk come out?
The milk comes out right here. These are the
See?
udders. You can go milk one over there.
All right. You want to milk a cow? That's a big cow, isn't it? I don't think I've ever been up this close to a cow before. Here, let me pet.
Hi, baby.
Okay, come on, let's go. People are waiting so they can pet. Where do you wash your hands at?
There's a hand washing station down at the end of this aisle on the right.
Okay.
There's one right there too.
And if you want to milk a cow, you say, where do you stand?
Just stand in one of these lines. The girls in the orange will help you.
She said we'd have to go to a different line and milk a cow. So.
Yeah. They're milking this one. I think this one's a little bit too picky to try to milk.